Hey guys, let me show you a magic. Okay, so which model are you? So look, I don't have the Anthropic, I don't have the Gemini, I don't have the OpenAI because these are very paid version and it takes so much money to use those APIs. But look, let's see which model it is. Claude Opus 4.5. Can you imagine it? I mean, it's a very high level AI model. That's I'm using in the OpenClaw. So how it's possible? It's possible. You just need to install the Antigravity, and you can get the free Google AI Pro. Even if it's free, it's okay. But and after that, you need to give some commands, and this is the commands. You need to enable the google-antigravity-auth. Then you need to OpenClaw gateway restart, and after that, you have to log in authentications using google-antigravity. That's it. Then use the OpenClaw using antigravity. So can you imagine it? I mean, it's insane. Okay, so this is guys, it's very simple, nothing else, super simple. Thank you.